If you're running a Go High Level website or SaaS agency or thinking about starting one, I have put together a complete package from building offer, niching, agency website, outreach strategy, closing clients, until getting payment from your client. It took me more than a year to build these systems and templates to have my own profitable business, and I want you to watch this video until the end to know how to access this for free for your business to have your own profitable business. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I provide website and SaaS services to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. So let's get back to the video. And this will be the last episode, Tools and Templates. We have been through 7 episodes of the free website offer method. If you haven't watched those episodes, please go check it out. And in this episode, we'll be talking about all the systems and templates we were talking about on all the 7 episodes in the beginning. So please go check it out before watching this video. First up, starter kit. So it's a no-brainer. You should have this. And all the things you're going to see in this video, you can access everything for free within our community. You can check it out on the first link in the description. As you can see, you can plan everything for your agency in this place. And you also have this video to go through all the things. And you have all the outreach strategy, cold calling tracker sheet, all the scripts I'm using to get consistent client in my web design and SaaS agency, and how to close a client, all the questionnaires you have to ask in the meeting, and even the presentation tool, which I have gone through on the episode number 4 on how I close the client. And these are all the tools I use within my agency to make it profitable. And instead of wasting a lot of money, as you can see, most of them are free. I don't want you to waste a lot of money from the beginning. That's why I call this a starter kit, which you should have inside your business. Next up, you'll be getting your own SaaS website. Think about this. If you're running a web design or SaaS agency, and if you don't have a good looking website, do you think your clients will trust you? That's why I've built this for myself in the beginning. If it wasn't for this website, I wouldn't have gotten my first web design client, because I didn't have any portfolio to show off. So this is the one website I showed off to get the trust from the client to actually sign the client. I will show you how the website looks. There you go. This is how the website looks. You have everything like the rolling text effect, high definition graphics, animation, like everything is engaging, and each and every section of the site is built with human psychology, and every section has its own interaction, animation, from missed call, tech back, monetization, audience, automated review, getting paid, optimizing time, convert leads into clients, and the rolling logo effect. And this is where you put your own reviews, and a toggle for price plan, and all the questions frequently asked. The next step is the funnel side. If you watched the episode number 5 or 6, we spoke about the outreach strategy. I lowered my cold outreach and started making videos, and this is in the link in the description. So I started getting inbound clients with my content strategy, because I don't want to waste a lot of time reaching out to clients, cold clients, rather than asking the viewers to reach out to me to give them a website and pay me. So this will be the good option for you. I would recommend you to do the same, because you can't just keep on grinding with cold calling and cold DM and cold outreach and getting rejected all the time. You're going to burn out one way or another. If you start making videos, you'll be still getting clients even if you're sleeping. So that's the power of content. And I will show you the site in a second. So this is my funnel page. Grow your business with free professional website. Again, this is my whole course, the free website offer course. I pitch them with the free website. And when they book a call with me, I upsell them with actual money-making offers for monthly recurring or high-ticket website. And this video can be replicated from yourself. You can exchange this video with your own video with the same script. And you can change anything within this. I will give access to all the image as a template. You can work around and put your own website. Same goes to this. I will give this as a Canva template. You can change everything within this image as if you built this from your own Go High Level website builder. But I would suggest you not to do it. That's going to take a lot of time from your life. I'd rather you focusing on getting clients rather than building all these stuff in the beginning. And when you start doing outreach, and if you don't get any clients in the beginning, you will be devastated because you have put in lots of effort into this business. You still don't get any client. All the effort should be going on client acquisition rather than building systems and building sites. That's where I come in. If you join the community with my referral link, you'll be getting everything for free. The first link in the description. Next up, we'll be talking about the review automation. This is one of the main reasons how I make my recurring revenue with my Go High Level site. I'll show you how it works. So this is the review automation funnel. We will be sending this to all the pre-existing client of a local client to get the reviews. So they will be having this question: what if they will send a negative review? Wasn't it gonna affect our business in a bad way? So what we did is 3-star, 2-star, and 1-star. It will take them to a survey, and they will submit it, and it's going to take them to the Lead Connector app, which is Go High Level, instead of putting them in a Google My Business page. And if a client gave you 4-star or 5-star, only then it will take them to the review page on your Google My Business page. So it's helping in two different ways. It's lowering the risk of having negative reviews, and it's actually getting some feedbacks from your clients, and you're fixing your business and making it better for your next client. So if you explain this stuff to your clients, I made a video on episode 5 on presenting on Google, presenting on video call how to sign client. So these are all within those videos, so please go watch all the videos from the beginning to understand what I'm trying to say. The next step is custom codes. As you have seen in my SaaS website, all the animations is done through this pre-built custom codes. It took me 6 months to build by myself, going through lots of trial and error, and I don't want you to waste any time on this. I just want you to access this and copy and paste all the codes, and you have each and every code has its own video how to implement this within the website. And this is the main reason I signed like the 2000 or 2500 or 2400 client. I'll put some screenshot in the video. I upsell them with, I track them with free offer, and I upsell them with a high ticket website or SaaS, recurring SaaS or hosting fees model. Up next is client portal. In episode number 7, we spoke about I've signed the client, what to do next. And this is the main part of this episode. I want you to check it out. So because it has proposal, contract, invoice, project roadmap, resources, meeting link, access, everything. And you will be having everything in the same place, and you will be giving access to your client. And it's going to be making your life easy and your client's life easy, since you are giving a luxury feel to your clients. You can charge way more money than your competitors. So up next, you will be getting everything, complete creative bundle. If you join the community by signing up with my referral link, the link is in the description, or if you already have a Go High Level account, and if you don't want to join the community and you don't want to do everything by yourself, but you still want the templates and the system, you can find everything, this complete creative bundle, in the second link in the description. But I would prefer you to join the community by referral link, and you can get everything for free, and all the course, all the resources, weekly calls, you'll be getting everything for free if you sign up with the referral link. So this is our community, the Wolf Pack. Sounds cool. You'll be getting access to everything from codes to resources to templates to accountability system and weekly meeting with me to check up on you and solve the problems you're facing within your agency. The main thing you'll be getting is the accountability system, because people know what to do. People have all the informations and resources online, and they still don't want to act on it because it doesn't feel like you're doing something really greater for yourself, and you procrastinate a lot. Procrastination is a big issue, and when you're working on yourself and working by yourself, you don't have anyone else to talk to, and you feel lonely. This will solve everything. So if you want to get access to this, join our community and kickstart your agency as soon as possible. And this is the last episode of our course, the free website offer method, where you give free website to sign the client and sign up with the recurring or upsell them with high ticket website. And this has worked for me, and this has worked for a lot of other people, and I want you to take advantage of this before this started peaking out and everyone starts doing it. So this is the right time to do this, and I want you to join the community and make use of everything for free. If you liked this course until now, make sure to subscribe and like this video so that it's gonna help a lot more people, and I will see you inside the community, and I will see you guys in the next video.